Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. My name is Faiza. Today we will start new chapter Algebra which is on book page number 97. So let's start our new chapter. In this chapter we will learn about addition, subtraction and multiplication in algebra. But before this you should know the following terms. First is constant. What is constant? Constant is if the value of quantity remain unchanged, or we can say that fixed numerical value is called constant. 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 up to so on are called constant. All these numerals are called constant. Next is variable. Variable is letters used to denote numbers in algebra, or simply we can say that all the English alphabets, that is A, B, C up to so on X, Y, Z, all are called variables. Next is coefficient. What is coefficient? The number appearing as a multiple of variable, or in simple words we can say that the number which is written inside variable is known as coefficient. In example 5x, the variable is x and the number which is written inside the variable is called coefficient. So here in this example 5 is coefficient. Next is exponent. Exponent is also known as power. Power and exponent both are same things. In example 4x raised to the power square, 2 is called exponents, or we can say that 2 is called power. Next is algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? The combination of numeral variables connected by the sign of plus, minus, multiply, divide is called algebraic expression. And all these signs plus, minus, multiply, divide, these signs are also known as arithmetic operations or fundamental operations. What is algebraic expression? The combination of numerals, variables connected by all fundamental operations or connected by arithmetic operations is called algebraic expression. Now look in the example 3x square plus 8y minus 5. Now in this example 3 and 8 are coefficient, right? Because what are the coefficient? The number which is written beside the variable is called coefficient. So 3 and 8 are called coefficient. Constant, the number that is written without variable, a lone number or a fixed numerical value is called constant. So here in this example 5 is constant. What are variables? Variables are all the English alphabets are called variable. So here in this example x and y are the English alphabet. So x and y are variables. And next is exponent. Exponents is equals to 2, or we can say that 2 equals to power or exponent, both are same things. Next is plus minus sign. Plus minus sign, all these signs are known as arithmetic operation or fundamental operations. Now how many terms in this question? In this questions we have 3 terms. 3x square first term, 8y second term, and minus 5 is third term. So in this expression we have 3 terms. Now the next topic is like terms and unlike terms. Like terms are the terms having same variables and exponents, and unlike terms are the terms having different variable part. right? Terms having same variable part are called like terms, and the terms having different variable parts are called unlike terms. Now here in this example, 4x square and 6x square are the like terms. Why they are like terms? Because their variable parts are same, x square and x square. 4 and x are different, but these are coefficient, not variable. So 4x square and 6x square are like terms. In next example, 2x and 5y, they are unlike terms because their variables are different. So like terms are the terms having same variable part, and unlike terms are the terms having different variable parts. This is all about following terms. Always remember these terms: constant, coefficient and variable. Now you have to do homework. Your homework is exercise 8.1, page number 101, question number 1 to question number 5, and another question number 1 to question number 5 is from exercise 8.2, which is on book page number 103. All these questions are related to these terms. All these questions are related to constant, variable, coefficient, like terms and unlike terms. You have to do all these questions in your neat copy. Thank you.